What is the difference between an ABO campaign and CBO campaign? ABO campaign, as known as ad budget optimization, is when you put the budget of your campaign into the ad set. And the CBO campaign, as known as campaign budget optimization, it's when you set the budget into the campaign. That's the difference between them. And my recommendation to you is when you start your Facebook ads campaigns, you start by ABO campaigns, because CBO campaigns is gonna depend a lot more on the intelligence of your algorithm. So after your pixel has a lot of information, your algorithm is optimized, then you can start running CBO campaign. In the beginning, it's better to start with ABO campaigns. And to explain you better how they work, let's go to the computer screen. I'm gonna be creating a campaign just to show you how they work. So let's go. All right, so first we're gonna start with the ABO campaign. We are here on the ads manager. We click on create, sales. Remember, if you want sales, you will always choose the campaign objective sales, okay? Then continue, manual sales campaign, continue, campaign name. I'm gonna choose ABO YouTube. I'm creating it just to show you. In this part here, we don't select anything. Here as well. This is the catalog. We are not gonna activate a catalog here in this part. We're gonna activate the catalog in the ad part. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off here. ABO test, we're not gonna click on it. And Advantage Campaign Budget Plus. This is the CBO, okay? So for this campaign is an ABO, so we're gonna put the budget in this part right here. Then we're not gonna turn it on. We just keep it the way it is. Now we click on next. I'm gonna make ads for women from 18 years old. The location, the website. And here we're gonna choose the pixel. The event, we're gonna choose purchase. We're not gonna set cost per result goal. We don't need it. And in the more part here, we're also not gonna change anything here. This part, we can keep it off. And the budget, let's suppose that we wanna set $10 per day. This is the daily budget. So as you can see, we are choosing the budget into the ad set part. This is the ad set part. We are selecting the budget here. For example, $10. Today is February 10th. Let's make this campaign for the next day and 5 a.m. I always choose to run my campaigns at 5 a.m. We're not gonna set an end date because we are gonna check how our campaigns are performing and we will decide when to stop the campaigns. By the way, this campaign here, I'm creating just as an example to show you how to create an ABO and CBO campaigns. I'm not gonna run it, okay? Ad scheduling, we're not gonna change this. The location we can keep here, United States. In this part, Advantage Plus Audience, we're gonna change it. We're gonna switch to Original Audience options. Use Original Audience. United States, the age, we can keep it open. The age, I'm gonna select 18 to 16. As I said, I'm not gonna run this campaign, so it doesn't matter for us. The gender, I'm gonna select women. And here, the details, I'm not gonna choose any detail here. I'm not gonna set any interest. It's fine. It's just an example campaign. I don't need to do it now. And I can select all languages. In this part right here, we can select the Advantage Plus placements. In the ad part, we're gonna select the Facebook page and the Instagram. Here, I'm gonna select the catalog. Remember when I said that I'm gonna select the catalog in this part right here, the ad part, not the campaign part. The right place to turn on your catalog is in the ad part. And I want the catalog in the carousel format. Here it is, my catalog. Fine, I'm not gonna create a text here. I'm not gonna create a copy here because this is not the objective of this video. The objective of this video is just explain to you the difference between ABO and CBO campaign. So let's consider that this campaign is already ready because I need to explain you a thing. Okay, so it's in draft. I'm not gonna publish it, but now I need to explain you a thing. Let's suppose that I have one campaign and I have 5 ad sets. Let's suppose that I have 5 ad sets and each of them we have $10 daily. So what's gonna happen here? Every kind of ad set is gonna spend $10. It can spend a bit less or a bit more, but it's gonna be around $10 for each of the ad sets. Now let's create a CBO campaign and you're gonna see the difference. The same thing, create sales, manual sales campaign, continue, turn off the catalog here. And this is where we make this campaign a CBO campaign. Turn it on here. Let's say, for example, $50 in this campaign. So remember, in the CBO campaign, we're gonna set the budget in the campaign part. This part right here, this is the campaign part. Remember, in the ABO, we set the budget in this part right here, the ad set. So in the CBO, the budget is gonna be in the campaign, and in the ABO, the budget is gonna be in the ad set. So now we have here an ABO campaign and a CBO campaign. Let's see the difference now. Here in the ABO campaign, we're gonna spend $50 daily, but it's gonna spend $10 in this ad set, it's gonna spend $10 in this ad set, $10 in this one, and this one, and this one as well. Each of them, we're gonna spend for sure something around $10. And in the CBO campaign, as you can see, we also have 5 ad sets as well, but the budget is in the campaign level. It's not into the ad set. So it means that not necessarily this ad set is gonna spend $10, this one is not gonna spend $10, this one is not gonna spend $10, this one as well, and this one as well. No, the budget to each kind of ad set is gonna depend on their performance. So if Facebook thinks that this ad set right here deserves $3 and this ad set right here deserves $20, then this ad set will have $3 and this one will have $20. So the budget distribution is gonna depend a lot on the intelligence of Facebook. Some ad sets will have a large budget and some of them will have low budget. And that's the difference between the ABO and the CBO. The CBO, the campaign is gonna decide how much budget each ad set will have. In the ABO, we will decide how much budget each ad set will have. And that's the difference between them. And the way they optimize is also different, but we'll talk about that in another video. Don't forget your thumbs up and subscribe.